Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to easily change the digitizer in your LG K3 model. This is the model K100DS, but the operation is for any K100. So first of all, you need to buy new digitizer with a flex, and I have extra glue on the back. And now we need to pull up the old digitizer from the phone. So first of all, we need to hit the front. Okay, hit with the head dryer to easily open the phone. And now the digitizer should take off easily. From the phone. Be careful, don't break the LCD, because it's a little heavy glue on it.